Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing very good. So in today's video, I'm going to basically take you through my journey of a sheet mask a day for 7 days. And I posted about this on my Instagram, so if you're following me there, you probably would be aware about it already. So this is how my skin looked before I took the challenge, and I'm going to show you now how I fared through the challenge and how my skin improved. Alright guys, so I will be mentioning all the face masks that I've used in this video over here so that you can have an idea and probably pick for yourself as well. Now I wanted to keep this as a one brand thing, and I picked the Face Shop for this video specifically for some really important reasons. One, I just love the range and variety of face masks the Face Shop has to offer, and the quality is amazing. The way it behaves on your skin is just magic, and also there are so many offers going on every now and then on Nykaa that you can actually save so many bucks, and you do not really have to splurge as much as you would normally do. So that's the reason I wanted to pick Face Shop, because of its amazing quality and the kind of offers it runs on Nykaa. And I have primarily used two types of their face masks. The one is their basic face mask range, and the other one is the Seduction range, which I absolutely love and have been using since, I don't know, probably a year now. And I have also tried to show you my skin through the days, like day 3, day 4 and all that stuff, just to give you an idea how it really behaved. Now whenever it comes to skincare and how your skin is behaving over time, it's actually difficult to tell the difference on camera, but let me just share with you my experience. Whenever I have used sheet mask regularly for 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, depending on how much time I have on my hands, every single time they literally make my skin glow. Like, that is one thing I'm sure that everyone will feel after using sheet mask for a couple of days straight. I feel that my skin really glows. It becomes so radiant, and it definitely clears out the skin as well. It does help a little bit with my pigmentation. This is what I have felt. I have no idea how it behaves on other people who have high pigmentation and whose acne scars are really stubborn and everything, but for me it has really worked. And also during this week I was on my periods as well, and that really messed up with my skin. My skin generally gets extremely dry during that time, but because I was on this challenge and I was using a sheet mask every single day, it wasn't that bad. I just got one single small acne, but that was because of my periods. Sheet masks don't really break me out ever. So yeah, and I was actually glad that I was doing sheet masks over that period of time, because that sort of calmed down my skin, and it didn't irritate my skin. My skin was a lot better. It was radiant, it was glowing, it didn't have those dry patches on my cheeks and all that stuff. So I was actually glad of taking that challenge. So yeah, a lot of people around me also told me that my skin was really glowy, and it was behaving really nice, and it was looking really good and healthy, as if I was having so much of water. So yes, I absolutely love doing sheet masks regularly every now and then, because it definitely boosts up my skin. It looks so beautiful, and I think you should also do that if you want to just have that pamper time sort of thing. And yeah, that's it. That's all for this video. I loved doing and shooting this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. So I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, spread some love around, be happy, take care.